So what are the three most important things that you need to do today? Stop right now, reflect on the three most important things that you need to get done today. Maybe it's two, maybe it's one. Prioritize your day, because here's the reality, right? And you know this is true. You're running around spinning, heads falling off, looking for the next time you're going to get your porn fix. You are not engaged. You are not living like you are going to die, because you are going to die. And when you are lying there on that deathbed, I absolutely promise you this. You're not going to be talking about what TV shows you haven't watched. You're not going to be talking about all the TV shows you watched, You're not going to be talking about all the video games that you played and all the pornography that you watched. You're going to want to be talking about the connections that you've made, the goals that you have achieved. And you're going to be lying there saying, I done good. So as long as you are stuck in your middle-aged, so many of you guys watching, you probably, maybe middle-aged, are stuck in that middle-aged malaise, consuming themselves with pornography, numbing, coping, escaping from their otherwise shitty lives. I just want to wake people up, brothers, and use your compulsion to pornography as an opportunity to wake up, to change your life in powerful ways, regain your power of choice, regain the power inherent in your sexuality so you can begin to use it, to transmute it, to creating that great life that at least a part of you knows you deserve. If they didn't, they wouldn't be watching this video. So go.